Hi guys, so on today's English language series brought to you by O3 Schools JAMB app, we'll continue our consonant sounds. We've been looking at consonant sounds, taking them two at a time. One voiceless consonant sound and a voiced consonant sound. So today we'll be looking at the f and the v. Here, this is the voiceless sound. Is a voiceless consonant sound. A voiceless consonant. While this, let's write it very well. Is a voiced consonant sound. You can pronounce them to note the vibration. Here we have and here we have. You can see the difference when you pronounce them. So we start with the voiceless consonant sound. Consonant can be found in words containing letter F, whether at the beginning of the word or at the middle, like we keep saying, consonant letter F. Example, fall, fly, free. Words like this before contain the consonant. Words containing letter F, father, proof. We have these words containing consonant. You can also have it in words with FF, words that contain FF. Examples, we have offer. The FF there contains the consonant of office. We have different, differ. Words like that, they contain the consonant sound. We can also have the sound in words containing PH. Example, phrase. The PH here is pronounced as phrase, physics. Other examples we have elephant, sphere. We have words like this, graph, the PH there, geography, philosophy. Let's put it this way, philosophy. Here we have PH being pronounced as philosophy. We can also find this sound in words containing GH. Example, laugh. The GH there contains the sound. This is laugh. Other words we have tough, rough. The GH there, cough, coughing, laughter. Words that we can derive from this word containing GH and we pronounce them as. So we have these words containing letters that contain this consonant sound in words. Words with F, words with FF, PH, and GH, all containing the F sound. Words containing letter F, fall, fly, free, before, father, proof, finger, words like that. Then FF, PH, and GH. That's it for the sound. Very simple sound. Then we have V, also a simple sound. Words containing letter V. Words like very, visual, vice, heavy. We have words like 11, even, invite, violent, cave, volume, verb. These are words containing the v sound. And for this is mostly how we can recognize v in words. Words containing v, very visual. This is the most common way to recognize this sound in words. Then we now have special words like this word. It's not pronounced off, but of. If you were to translate, you get something like this. So the sound contains v actually. So let's note the difference. OFF is pronounced as off, but OF is pronounced as of. Ev. Then we also have Stephen. The PH doesn't contain f, but v. So that's it for the f and the v sound. Here we have mostly words containing letter V and these two words that we can easily just keep at the back of our minds and always remember it. At least they're just two, off and Stephen. So anyhow you've been pronouncing it before, just know that the F here and the PH in this word actually contain this consonant sound, not the F, but the V consonant sound. So that's how we recognize these consonant sounds in words. Now we compare them with minimal pairs. Let's look at the consonant sounds side by side. These consonant sounds side by side. And major difference, this is voiceless and this is voice. So examples, we have fan, van, fame, vein. So you can see as you pronounce them in words that are similar, the only difference between these two words is in the consonant sounds they contain. All other translations remain the same. If you are transcribing or translating them, they remain the same. The only difference is in the consonant sounds they contain at the beginning, the f here and the v here. So these words, pronouncing them side by side, helps us establish a better difference, a easier difference between the consonant sounds. We have leaf, leaf. Here we have few, view. Words like life, live. We have fat, vat, fine, vine, safe, save, fear, veer, grief, grieve. So these are minimal pairs between these two similar consonant sounds. These are just a few examples. You can also come up with yours as you try to get this down. Now we can answer questions on these consonant sounds. Up first, let's try to, if we have this consonant sound and we're given words, let's look for words that contain this consonant sound. So from these options, we will look for a word that contains this consonant sound given to us. So we pronounce, this is psych, there's no f there. though, goiter, phoneme. So our answer becomes phoneme. The PH here also carries the f sound. If you were to have this and the options given, odd. So we'll be given the consonant sound. From the options, we now look for the word containing this consonant sound given, which is the v. So this is story, this is novel, this is weird, this is hard. Our answer becomes novel, the V there, containing the V sound. Other questions, we still have this option. In these options, we're looking for the word that contains the sound. So this is plain, pillar, psychology, and philanthropy. Our answer becomes philanthropy. The PH there contains philanthropy. One more for we have now we pronounce the words to see which one actually contains the V sound. Here we have face, here we have orphan, here we have off and of. So this becomes our answer. The rest contains the F sound, which is quite similar, but they are not the same. Then lastly, we look for the odd ones. We pick out the odd words. Let's pick out the odd words. No matter how similar the words are when they are mixed up together, we should be able to note similarities and get the one that is different. It is important to always remember that we do not only have vowel sounds, we also have consonant sounds. So if you are looking for similarities, don't just dwell only on the consonant sounds. It's not like the question will specify. Pick out the one that doesn't contain so sound. So it is you that will now know if you're dealing with vowel sounds or consonant sounds. And it's easy to just mainly dwell on vowels. So here we have cough, here we have raf, thare, enough. Our answer becomes thare because it doesn't contain the sound that is here, here, and here. The GH there doesn't contain so that word is odd. We can also have and this. Here we pronounce, see which one is odd. Sigh, fall, phrase, laugh. Obviously this. The GH there is silent. It doesn't contain the sound that is in fall, phrase, and laugh. Then we can also have we pronounce to see which one sounds odd or which one doesn't contain something similar to the others. Here we have vein, wave, very, feign. Obviously, the V sound seems to be common here. Vein, wave, very, but it's absent in this one. So feign becomes our odd word in this group of words given to us. Now, there are many more questions on these two consonant sounds in the app. All we just have to do is download this app, get access, and begin to practice so that we can become very, very familiar with these sounds. I'll be able to answer questions given to us easily. Thank you for watching.